Hey YouTube, this is Jason. This is
Jaden from Dad and Boy Living.
Alright. Today we got our brute magnets. We're going to try this magnet fishing. So we got brute magnets, 880 pound pull. We just got back from Menards, and what did we get?
We got I heard for it. It's 3/8 by 50 foot,
Alright.
and we got 2 sets of large gloves.
Alright, rubber's gloves because it's wintertime and it's like 1 degree out.
Oh yeah, warning with magnets: never have your hand between metal that's on the magnet. It can crush it. This guy learned the hard way.
Good job. Alright, now to tie our knots. We're going to take a length of rope. Let's get about 3 foot there. And you're going to make a loop. That's enough. Alright, hold that loop. Hold that loop. Alright, so we got a length of rope. We have our loop. We're going to take that loop. Take our magnet. We're going to put the loop through the hole of the magnet. Right through the hole there. So we got it in there.
So we have it
All
like
right.
this.
Now we're going to take both ends of our rope. We're just going to tie a knot. Just cross it over. Just like you're tying in a regular knot. Cross it over and tuck it through.
That?
Cross it over. No, like this.
Oh.
Cross it over and tuck it through.
Yeah, this is our first time.
It's our first time making a video.
Yeah, our first.
It's our first time tying a knot, and this is our first time even thinking about magnet fishing. So we're giving it a try.
Yep.
All right, don't tie that too tight.
Ooh,
All right,
it's coming out.
tie that, wrap it through. All right. Then we're going to take this. You're looped in. Now that you tie your knot, you're looped in. You're going to take it and put it over your magnet. You're going to put your magnet
Like
through
this.
the loop. Good job. And then we're going to just cinch all that up. We're going to try to get it all through there. I'm going to have to help you with this, buddy.
Okay, so I found the metal clasp.
Also, one thing you want to do,
Magnet.
if it's the summer, or some summer spring, you don't have to end up swimming out into the water because your magnet gets stuck. You might want to melt a bottle top on the magnet.
All right, now from there, you're just getting it all tightened up. You're pulling these ropes as tight as you can. You want them to move. But the big thing is these two, you do not want these crossed. You have that one and that one. So just keep cinching down one rope at a time if you need to. Pull it tight. Pull it tight. And pull it tight. I think that rope's too big. That's alright. Pulling it. Alright, once you have that nice and tight, once again, do not have those crossed. That is your loop. That gives you, if one side tears out, you still have your other side to pull on. This knot should be plenty good enough to hold this magnet and whatever you're pulling. Then you take your short end. This will be your short end. You're not pulling on that end. So we'll just tie another knot, kind of as a safety knot there. And there you go. It's that simple. You got your knots. You're all tied up.
Voila!
Should be plenty good to go. Well, let me get his. So if you want to like, subscribe, and
Ring that little bell.
we'd appreciate it. Give us some incentive to make another video. Do some more magnet fishing.
We'd like to try and keep this series alive.
All right, so we got that one tight. Yours is not tightening, bud. All right, there. Now we got his tight. Once again, we're going to take that short end, make us a knot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and
Ring that little bell.
all right, have a good one.